Page number 8, 2B, second row, last 3 problems. Add 80, add 50 is add 100 less 50, less 80 is less 100, add 20. Add 20 is add 50 less 30, then add 30. So answer is 80. Next question, take 60, add 90 is add 100 less 10, less 10 is less 100, add 10. No, less 10 is less 100, add 90. Second one, we'll do this. Add 80, add 60, add 90 is add 100 less 10. Now less 10 is less 50, add 40. Less 80 is less 100, add 20. Add 20 is add 50 less 30. So answer is
60.
60.
60.
Next question, take 70, add 60 is add 100 less 40. Less 40 is less 50, add 10. Add 10 again. Less 80 is less 100, add 20. Add 20 is add 50, less 30. Answer is 60. Now last row. 65, add 7 is. No other disturbances, please. Class record అవుతుంది. Add 7 is add 10 less 3. Less 3 is less 5, add 2. Again add 7. Directly I can do add 7. Now let's say it also directly. Answer is
71. 71.
add 44. Add 3 is add 5 less 2. Less 3 is less 5, add 2. Less 8 is less 10, add 2. Add 2 is add 5 less 3. Answer is
36.
yes. Next 74. Less 8 is less than add 2. Add 2 is add 5 less 3. Less 6 directly. Add 5 directly. Answer is
65.
5. Yes, correct. Is that clear?